that giant, deep, inviting sofa you saw in those sleek online photos might be hiding a few secrets. It looks like a total dream for movie nights and hosting friends, but appearances can be very deceiving once you actually sit down and live with it for a while. This massive sectional sleeper makes a huge first impression right out of the box. It is wide, it is deep, and it feels like a sanctuary when you first touch the fabric. That initial plushness is incredible. You sink right in, and the wide chase section makes you want to lounge around all day long. It really nails that modern, classy aesthetic that looks perfect in a spacious living room. But we need to talk about the long-term reality here, because there's a big gap between a good photo and a good investment. After the first few weeks of heavy use, that soft feeling starts to change in ways you might not like. The cushions do not have that resilient, high-end support you really need for everyday lounging. They start to squat and lose their shape faster than I expected, and that means you're going to spend a lot of your free time fluffing and rotating them just to keep the sofa from looking tired and flat. It is high maintenance, and let's be honest, nobody wants their couch to become a second job. Now, the sleeper mechanism is actually a win for this piece. It is a simple pull-out design. No heavy lifting is required, and you won't be wrestling with complicated levers or metal bars. It just works. The mattress is surprisingly decent for a guest bed. It handles a full night of sleep without those annoying dips or pressure points that usually ruin your back. It is better than most budget options in that department, but it is still not exactly five-star hotel quality. The frame feels solid for the most part. You won't hear a lot of creaking or groaning when you shift your weight around, which is a big plus for something of this scale. However, the connections between the sections could be a lot tighter. It feels a little loose in some spots, like it needs just a bit more reinforcement to feel truly premium. Then we have the fabric. It feels soft at first, but it is a magnet for snags and pilling. If you have pets with claws or kids who are constantly moving, that weave is going to struggle to stay pretty. It starts showing wear in high traffic areas very quickly, which takes away from the overall value. This is not a forever couch. It is more of an okay budget piece disguised as a luxury item. The assembly was easy enough, and the instructions were clear. But that convenience does not make up for the inconsistent quality of the materials. It is great for filling a huge room, but its sheer size can easily overwhelm a smaller space. You have to plan your layout carefully, or you will end up feeling cramped in your own home. My honest take is this. It gives you a lot of seating in a functional bed, but it falls short on durability. If you are looking for a piece that will last for a decade, this is not the one. You are better off saving your cash and investing in something more resilient. It is a functional landing pad, but not a lasting investment in comfort. Don't let the pretty pictures trick you into thinking this is a high-end masterpiece, because it really feels more like a temporary solution. The value just isn't there if you care about the long haul. It is okay for basic function, but if you want real quality, keep looking.